Most people believe that getting rich is about finding the next big opportunity, the next hot stock, the next viral investment that explodes overnight. But Warren Buffett, one of the richest investors in human history, believes the exact opposite, because in his view, wealth is not built by making money fast, it is built by not losing it. And that is why his most famous advice is also the simplest and most misunderstood rule in investing history. Rule number 1. Never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. And when most people hear this advice, they laugh. They say it's impossible. They say losses are part of investing. They say Buffett is unrealistic. But what they fail to understand is that Buffett is not talking about short-term losses. He is talking about permanent loss, the kind of loss that wipes you out of the game completely. Because Buffett learned very early in life that investing is not about being smart, it is about being disciplined. It is not about predicting the future, it is about protecting yourself from ruin. And most people lose money not because they're unlucky, but because they're emotional. They buy when everyone is excited and prices are already high. They sell when everyone is scared and prices are already low. They follow headlines instead of fundamentals. They chase hype instead of value. And the market punishes this behavior again and again. While Buffett does the opposite. He stays calm when others panic, he waits when others rush, and he thinks in decades while others think in days. And that is why he survives every crash while millions of investors disappear forever. Because when Buffett says never lose money, he does not mean you will never see your portfolio go down. Even his portfolio goes down sometimes. What he means is do not make stupid mistakes. Do not invest in things you do not understand. Do not risk money you cannot afford to lose. And do not confuse speculation with investing. Because temporary losses do not matter, but permanent losses destroy everything. And Buffett does not fear volatility, he fears ignorance, which is why he famously avoided investments he could not understand, even when everyone else was getting rich. During the dot-com bubble, technology stocks were skyrocketing. People were becoming millionaires overnight. Buffett was criticized, mocked, and called outdated. They said he missed the future. But when the bubble burst, trillions of dollars were erased, and Buffett walked away untouched. Not because he was lucky, but because he followed his rule. And the biggest mistake investors make is confusing speculation with investing. Speculators ask, will this go up? Investors ask, is this a good business? Buffett only invests in businesses that make consistent profits, have strong competitive advantages, are simple to understand, and are run by honest and capable management. And if he cannot explain how a company makes money in one simple sentence, he does not invest, no matter how exciting it looks or how much money others are making, because discipline is his greatest weapon. And one of Buffett's most powerful ideas is the margin of safety, which means he never buys something at a fair price, he buys it at a discount. So even if something goes wrong, he is still protected. While most people do the opposite. They buy overpriced assets hoping they will go even higher, which is not investing, it's gambling. And Buffett is willing to wait years for the right opportunity because he understands that patience is not just a virtue in investing, it is a requirement. As he once said, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. And most people want fast results, fast profits, fast success, while Buffett wants reliable results. He does not trade daily, he does not react to news, he does not chase trends. He lets time and compounding do the work, because compounding only works if you survive long enough to benefit from it. And you cannot survive if you keep losing money, which is why rule number 1 is more important than making high returns, because a big loss requires an even bigger gain just to recover. And this rule does not apply only to stocks, it applies to business, to career choices, to personal finance, and to life itself. Do not take risks that can destroy you. Do not borrow money you cannot repay. Do not sacrifice long-term stability for short-term pleasure, because protecting your downside is the secret to unlimited upside. And anyone can apply this rule starting today by building a financial safety net, by stopping the chase for quick money, by learning before investing, by focusing on quality instead of hype, and by thinking in years instead of weeks. Because you do not need to be a genius to succeed financially, you need discipline. And Warren Buffett did not become rich by predicting the future or by taking wild risks. He became rich by avoiding mistakes, by staying patient, and by following one simple rule that most people ignore. You do not need to win big, you just need to not lose. Because if you follow rule number 1 and protect your capital, time will do the rest. And that is the real reason Warren Buffett is still winning, while millions of others keep starting over from zero. Most people never realize that the real enemy of wealth is not poverty, it is impatience. Because impatience pushes people to take risks they do not understand, to borrow money they cannot control, and to chase returns that look exciting but hide danger underneath. And Warren Buffett has spent his entire life doing the exact opposite, slowing down while the world speeds up, simplifying while others complicate, and protecting capital while others gamble with it. Because he understands something very few people truly grasp, that once you lose money, the game changes completely. A 50% loss does not require a 50% gain to recover. It requires a 100% gain, which means the deeper you fall, the harder it becomes to climb back. And that is why Buffett treats capital like oxygen, something you do not notice when you have it, but something you cannot survive without when it is gone. And this mindset is why he avoids leverage, avoids hype, and avoids anything that could wipe him out in one bad decision, because he knows that staying rich is harder than getting rich. And staying rich requires humility, patience, and respect for risk, qualities that most people abandon the moment they see fast money being made by others. And this is exactly why financial bubbles exist, because when people see others getting rich quickly, they stop asking questions, they stop analyzing fundamentals, and they start believing that this time is different. But Buffett has seen every version of this story before. He has seen it in stocks, in real estate, in commodities, in technology, and even in businesses themselves. And every single time, the ending is the same. Those who focused on protecting their downside survive, and those who chased upside without understanding risk disappear. And Buffett also understands that intelligence alone does not protect you, because some of the smartest people in the world have lost everything by ignoring simple rules, while average people with discipline quietly build wealth over decades, because the market does not reward brilliance, it rewards consistency. And consistency only exists when you avoid catastrophic mistakes, which is why Buffett is obsessed with understanding businesses deeply, not just their numbers, but their culture, their management, their competitive advantages, and their long-term sustainability. Because he is not buying the ticker symbol, he is buying a piece of a real company. And he wants to own companies that can survive recessions, technological changes, and shifts in consumer behavior. And this long-term thinking also explains why he ignores short-term market noise completely, because daily price movements mean nothing to someone who plans to hold assets for decades. And while others are glued to screens watching prices fluctuate every second, Buffett is reading annual reports, thinking about intrinsic value, and asking one simple question: will this business be stronger 10 or 20 years from now? And if the answer is yes, and the price is right, he buys. And if the answer is no, he walks away without regret, even if everyone else is making money, because he knows that missing out is far less dangerous than losing money. And this mindset is extremely difficult for most people to adopt, because humans are wired to compare themselves to others, to feel envy when others succeed, and to feel fear when others panic. But Buffett trained himself to ignore the crowd, to think independently, and to act rationally even when emotions are running high. And this emotional control is perhaps his greatest advantage, because markets are emotional machines driven by fear and greed, and anyone who can remain calm while others lose control automatically gains an edge. And this is why Buffett welcomes market crashes instead of fearing them, because crashes reveal true value, they expose weak businesses, and they create opportunities to buy great companies at discounted prices, but only for those who prepared in advance, only for those who followed rule number 1 and preserved their capital. Because opportunity always comes disguised as fear, and only those who are financially and emotionally stable can take advantage of it. And this idea also extends beyond investing into everyday life decisions, because many people sabotage their financial future not with one big mistake, but with many small ones: unnecessary debt, lifestyle inflation, impulsive purchases, and short-term thinking, all of which increase risk without increasing long-term happiness, while Buffett lives far below his means, despite his enormous wealth, not because he has to, but because he understands that freedom comes from simplicity, not excess. And this is why his advice resonates far beyond finance, because it teaches a way of thinking, a way of evaluating risk, reward, and time. And anyone who adopts this mindset begins to see money not as something to gamble with, but as a tool to build security, freedom, and opportunity. And over time, this approach compounds just like investments do. Small, disciplined decisions repeated consistently create massive results, while reckless decisions eventually destroy even the largest fortunes. And this is why Warren Buffett's most powerful advice will never become outdated, because as long as humans are driven by emotion, fear, and greed, the rule of never losing money will remain the foundation of long-term success. And the people who truly understand this do not rush, do not panic, and do not chase. They protect, they wait, and they let time work in their favor. Because in the end, wealth is not about how fast you grow, it is about how long you survive. And survival is guaranteed only by those who respect rule number 1 and never forget it.